This super easy chicken and mayo sandwich is everything you need for your breakfast. It is quick, it is easy, it is delicious, and what's good, it is perfect for every member of the family, perfect for children, and you don't need too many ingredients. Before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, and now let's get started. For our vegetables, we're going to be using some cabbage, some lettuce, and a bit of carrots. And then for our spices and seasonings, we're just using dried thyme, salt, and some chicken seasoning. I'm also going to use a bit of onions, and I'm using chicken breast, but you can also use chicken thigh. This is just ginger and garlic paste. It is store-bought, but you can make yours at home. The full ingredient list and their quantities are going to be in the description box, so please check it out. First things first, we're going to prep all our ingredients. I'm just slicing my cabbage as thinly as I can. In case you're new here, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. I haven't been posting content consistently as I used to because I've been very busy with school. But you guys, I am back now, so you can click on the subscribe button and be sure that you're going to get videos from me every week. I am going in on content, you guys are really going to enjoy me for the rest of the year. So please click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the share button, and also leave a comment letting me know what recipes or what kind of videos that you want to see from me moving forward. So as I'm just prepping my ingredients, I'm using this vegetable grater thing to just make my carrots work easy. But if you don't have this, you should also use or you can also use a hand peeler, or you can also use a food processor. Whichever one you want to do is fine, and whichever way you want to cut your vegetables or slice your vegetables is also fine, but I also advise you do this because it's easy to work with. Now for my chicken, I'm going to be boiling this. Some people like to grill, but I feel like that's a long process and I feel like it's unnecessary. But if that's your option, you can also go with that. All you just have to do is marinate and then grill. But for me, I'm just going to steam this, add my seasonings and spices, my ginger and garlic paste, my salt and every other thing, add a bit of water, and then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook until properly cooked or until done, which is going to take anywhere between 15 to 25 minutes depending on the amount of heat and also depending on the size of the chicken breasts that you're using. So after that, I'm just going to take that off the heat, and then I'm going to shred this with my fork. Also, you can use a food processor to do this, but I decided to use my fork just because I know not everybody has a food processor and I just want to take everybody along. So if you have a food processor, just put that in and pulse it and it's going to give you this. If you don't have a food processor, just use 2 forks and you're going to get the same exact result. It's just going to take longer, but it still does the job. So I'm just going to do that and set aside. In a large bowl now, I'm going to combine all my vegetables, and I'm also going to combine or also add my already shredded chicken. I'm using mayonnaise for this, as you can also know, or as you already know from the title of the video. Mayo is just perfect. I mean, you could use ketchup and every other thing, but I found that mayo is just perfect, and mayo it's easy, and a lot of people like mayo, so, and I'm one of those people, so which is why I am deciding to use that. You can also use ketchup or any other type of dressing that you want. You always want to remember that food can be personalized to your own preference, so do that. Now this is the bread I'm using. I'm using good old sliced bread. I just got this from a random supermarket, and I'm just going to put my already mixed vegetable and chicken on it. Now you want to be very careful so that it doesn't protrude out. You also want to be very careful that you're not overloading this. You want to also be sure that you're also getting the right amount. So basically the right amount is what you're looking for, not too much and not over the top. Then I'm just going to add another layer of bread, and then I'm going to repeat the same exact process. Now I'm going to add the last layer of my bread, and I'm going to transfer this into a already heated griddle. If you don't have a griddle, you can use a non-stick pan. It works just as fine. I'm just going to heat my bread on both sides for a few minutes until I get my desired brownness. I'm just using a pot cover so it stays in place, and also just to press it down a bit. And that is it, you guys. This is how you make your easy, super easy chicken mayo sandwich. It's as easy as that. If you like the video, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. Leave a comment letting me know what recipes you want me to shoot for you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.